if you get this error in Grand Theft Auto Vice City Next Generation, which says Securom Reported Error #2000, then this is very easy to fix. Now just cancel your game that you are playing. After canceling it, then go to the download folder for your game. So go to the folder where you downloaded the game, and the folder which I downloaded the game was this one. So open this folder and go to the Redist folder, and you'll find this VC Redist x86 and the DirectX. Now what you need to do, just install these programs by opening it, and it will start to install. After it finishes, go to the DirectX folder and also install the DirectX by opening it. So make sure these two programs are installed, the DirectX and the VC Redist x86. After installing these programs, then just cancel this and open your game, and the game will open without any issues. So the issue here is to install the two programs that are found on the download folder for your game, and which on the Redist folder, install the VC Redist and the DirectX. After installing these two programs, launch the game, and your game will open. If it doesn't launch, then just run as administrator, and the game will launch without any issues.